Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you how to use the call waiting feature on the Flyingvoice phone. Call waiting enables you to receive another call when there is already an active call on your phone. If it is disabled, the new incoming call will be rejected automatically. We can enable the call waiting on the phone's LCD screen. Firstly, we need to navigate to Menu, go to Features. Select the third option, Call Waiting. Enter Call Waiting settings, and then enable it. Press OK. Then we go back to the home page. Then we can make this phone busy. And try to call it on another phone. We can see the phone screen indicates the new call information, and we can answer it or reject it. Now we answer the new call. The first call will be placed on hold. You can press swap to switch these two calls.